People think getting strong requires a gym, machines, heavy weights, fancy setups, but here's the truth. You can build serious strength at home with minimal equipment. Not theory, I've been doing it for over 12 years. Quick context if you're new here, I live in a small village and the nearest gym was about 30 minutes away. I went a little in high school, but I built my physique almost entirely at home. Pull-ups, push-ups, dips, squats, and later adding some weight. And over time I've helped more than 100 men do the same. Get strong, lean and consistent without depending on the gym. Also, small life update, I became a dad at the beginning of this year, so if things aren't perfect, welcome to real life. And that's exactly why this matters, because your training needs to work in real life. You don't need more equipment, you need better movements. This is the biggest misconception. People think they need more tools to get stronger, and actually you don't. You need to use your body better. Your body is the main resistance, and if you learn to control it, you can build serious strength. Number 2. Focus on the fundamentals. You don't need 20 different exercises, you need a few that you can improve over time. For example, pull-ups, dips, push-ups, squats, split squats, hinges, and that's it. If you get strong at these, your body changes, as simple as that. Number 3. Use progression. Strength comes from progression, not variety. You don't need to switch exercises every week, you need to get better at the same ones. More reps, better control, full range, eventually start adding weight. And most people fail here. They train but they don't progress. Number 4. Make it hard without fancy equipment. You can make any exercise harder. For example, push-ups, elevate your feet, pull-ups, slow them down, pause at the top, squats, go single leg, dips, add weight or go deeper. You don't need machines, you just need intention. Number 5. Train 3 to 5 times per week. Consistency beats everything. You don't need to do daily workouts. You don't need to destroy yourself. 3 to 5 sessions per week, 30 to 45 minutes, and that's enough if you want to stay consistent. And this is exactly what I help guys with. Most of the men I work with don't have energy, don't have time or access to the gym. They need something simple that actually works. I've already helped more than 100 men get stronger training at home, so if you want my personal help, I do one-on-one coaching, just check the first link down below. And we have point number 6, don't train like a bodybuilder. This might sound controversial, but if you're training at home, stop copying gym workouts. You don't need 12 exercises for your chest, you need good push-ups, strong dips and progression. Train like an athlete, not like you're chasing a pump. Number 7, build strength first and then the looks will follow. If you chase aesthetics, you will burn out. If you chase strength, your physique improves anyway. So, stronger pull-ups mean better back, stronger dips mean bigger chest and triceps, and stronger legs, better structure. Strength builds your body. And the last point, keep it simple enough to repeat for years, and this is the real secret. Not the perfect program, not the perfect setup, it's doing something simple for a long time. That's how I built my physique, not in 8 weeks, but over years. So, you don't need a gym, you don't need perfect conditions, you don't need more equipment, you need simple movements, consistent training and progression over time, and that's it. And if you can do that for long enough, you won't just get stronger, you will become someone who is strong. That's it. Peace.